for this group assignment is the study investigate how organizational culture influence employee performance. It highlights that organizational culture play a vital role in shaping behavior, motivation, and overall work productivity. The research focused on PTSY, observing how culture elements like share value, belief, and norm affect employee effectiveness. The goal is to understand which culture factor most significant impact performance, helping leader enhance productivity through culture improvement. The next part is literature review. Organizational culture, defined as a shared assumption, value, and belief governing how people behave in organization. It's essential for achieving strategic goal and aligning employee behavior. For employee performance, refer to the output quality and efficiency of worker in fulfilling job responsibility, influenced by both individual and organizational factor. Prior studies show a positive correlation between a strong supportive culture and improved employee performance. Key culture component that affect performance include communication style, leadership behavior, work environment, and reward system.
Now, I will talk about the methodology. This research focuses on the effectiveness of IoT-driven gamified financial education tools for Malaysian youth. We use a digital questionnaire via Google Form, which is we send to 40 university Malaysia Police students through WhatsApp. This method was easy to distribute and automatic organize the data. We also support our findings with secondary data from journals and articles. Now, for the data analysis, for question 1 about attending financial education workshop, most respondents said yes. The mean was 1.45, the mode 1, and the median 1.0. For question 2 about using finance as a short mixed response, which is mean 1.53, mode 2, and median 2.0. For question 3 about IoT familiarity, most were aware with a mean of 1.15, mode 1, and median 1.0. This helps us understand students' knowledge and habit in managing finances with technology.
Hello, I'm Adina. Continue explain for question 4. As is IoT device like smartwatch or smart apps can help improve learning experience. The mean was 1.68 with a mode of 1 and median 1.5. They showed that most respondents answer yes. For question 5, as if user prefer apps that connect to smart device to real-time financial insights, the mean was 1.53 and the mode and median were 1.0, showing very strong agreement for respondent. So lastly, for question 6, as how likely user are to use such apps is available. So the mean was 2.18 and 2 and median also 2, meaning many are likely or very likely to use the apps. Overall, the data show positive feedback and strong interest in IoT feature for financial and learning apps. So for 3.5 challenge in collecting the research, during this case study, there were 3 main challenges. For some respondents give feedback very late, which delay the data collection. Second, since the respondent was classmate, there was a risk obvious, so the research had to stay neutral. And lastly, it was hard to find relevant and suitable source, so more time was needed. And despite all that, the research was done carefully to make sure the results were accurate. Thank you.
For question number 1, out of 40 respondents, 55% attended financial education workshops, showing a fair level of engagement. However, 45% did not, highlighting a need for better outreach. The study supports using IoT-based gamification like real-time feedback and interactive apps such as Find in the Play to boost motivation and engagement. This confirms previous research by Yaakob and Liu emphasizing gamification's role in enhancing youth financial literacy in Malaysia. Next, for question number 2, among 40 respondents, 52.5% use financial apps, showing moderate but promising digital engagement. This supports the study's objective on IoT-based gamification potential as current users show readiness for more advanced interactive tools. The data highlights a trend of growing acceptance of digital finance, aligning with the 2024 Ringgit Plus survey. Still, obstacles like app usability and perceived benefit must be addressed to boost adoption and educational impact. For question number 3, an overwhelming 85% of respondents are familiar with the Internet of Things, with a mean of 1.15 and median of 1.0, indicating strong awareness. This supports the study's objective, showing youth readiness for IoT-integrated gamified financial education. Familiarity with smart devices and real-time feedback strengthens the potential of higher engagement and learning impact. These findings align with Tan and Lim 2023 and Chen 2022, reinforcing IoT's relevance in future educational tools. Next, for question number 4, 82.5% of respondents strongly agree that IoT devices like smartwatch and apps improve learning with a mean score of 1.68. This supports the study's objective, high engagement potential, strong belief in the motivational power of IoT features, and recognition of their impact on gamified learning. These findings align with the studies by Abdul Samad 2021 and Bank Negara Malaysia 2024, confirming IoT's role in personalizing and enhancing financial education. For question number 5, a strong 72.5% of students prefer apps connected to smart devices for real-time financial insights with a mean of 1.50 and median of 1.0. This high interest supports the study goals, showing strong engagement potential and motivation through IoT features like real-time feedback. The finding aligns with the global trends and Malaysia's 2023 digital education policy, confirming that Gen Z values fast, automated, and connected financial tools for better learning and money management. Next, for question number 6, 62.50% of respondents are likely or very likely to use an IoT-based financial education app, while 37.5% remain neutral, indicating moderate but cautious interest. The mean score of 2.18 shows early-stage acceptance, consistent with the technology acceptance model (TEM). Neutral responses suggest barriers like perceived usefulness, privacy concerns, or unclear benefits. These findings reflect cautious optimism, aligning with research by Wang and Lu on moderate engagement in gamified financial education.
Next, I will present about recommendation and conclusions. Our study explored how IoT and gamified financial education can improve financial literacy among Malaysian youths. At University of Malaysia Police, 85% of students knew about IoT and over 17% preferred financial apps linked to the smart device, showing strong digital readiness. However, concern about data privacy and lack of trust are still barriers. To tackle this, we recommend simple engaging features like real-time spending alerts and gamified challenges, combined with strong data protections. University can pilot these tools, supported by Fintech and banks. We also suggest regulatory sandboxes to safely test innovations and inclusive design for low-cost on and offline access. Lastly, awareness through social media and early program can boost interest. With the right approach, Malaysia can lead in building a financially savvy, tech-ready generations.